Hi, welcome back. I'm Tammy Salamone, the Pink Survivor. So today's video is going to be, how do I use this thing, the medicine ball? So I have a 10-pound medicine ball here. You're going to see these in the gym varying in different weights. You'll probably find some 2, 3, 5, 10, and even heavier, 15 pounds. So here's a few things that you can do with the medicine ball. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share this, comment below what other videos you'd like to see. Okay, so one thing you could do is some functional training. And for instance, you could do something where you're picking something up off the floor and then you're bringing it and putting it up onto a shelf. So this is great, especially as a functional training type of exercise. And also if you're working maybe with some older clientele, it's great to keep their body moving in all different motions. Another great one that you can do is you could do like a chest squeeze. You're squeezing it here and then you're just pushing it out. So you're squeezing and pushing it out. And then one of my favorites is you could be tossing, this ball to a partner and pushing it out from the chest. And with 10 pounds, that's pretty heavy. Or my favorite one, overhead. And what you're going to do is you're going to slam it down and catch it. And you just slam it and catch it. So you go overhead and then just slam it down. And you just get your frustrations out and you will love it. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time.